Hi, it's Tasha with WTA.
These AILKIN chargers have been very convenient for me and my family. We use them to charge our smartphones, our tablets, our laptops, and any other USB or USB C devices. I love that it's a multi-port charger, which means I don't have to use a different charger for each USB or USB-C device. I can use two to each charger, and that really is more convenient. I only need to take one with me when I'm traveling to be able to charge devices that use either the USB or the USB-C. So that really saves me a lot of time, and it's a lot more convenient. It's super small and compact, so it goes easily into any piece of luggage or compartment that I need. These charging blocks have become a necessity in our household.
So that's my point of view.